Hi friends, welcome to Nifty Profits channel for a review of the buy and sell levels and targets that I gave in the morning around 9:18 a.m. after the market opened. Okay, so the buy level for Bank Nifty was above 36,005 and sell below level was 35,855. Now this review is a test of my strategy, not to boast of you would have made so much profit or you would have made so much loss or I was right and all that. This is just a review along with you to know where we stand in terms of the strategy that I deploy for consistent profits in the market with limited losses. Okay, with that set in mind, let's review. And another thing I want to tell you is that the capital that I have mentioned here assumes that you are trading in the futures as far as Nifty and Bank Nifty is concerned, and you are using the intraday margins as far as it concerns HDFC, the three stocks. Okay, and all of them assume that you trade in 100 quantity. So if your quantity varies, your capital will vary, either it will increase or decrease, and the profits also will vary, but the return rates will be the same as is shown here. Okay, then another important point is that if you trade, because I give also the option contracts one can buy instead of futures. So for Bank Nifty and Nifty, if you buy, let's say, an option contract, and same way if you decide to trade in relevant option contracts of these three key stocks, your capital involvement may be much lesser and your returns may drastically increase. Okay, that point stressed. Let's move to what happened today. Okay, Bank Nifty was buy above 36,005 and I expected that it could make a move up to 36,385, and the stop loss was 35,930, around 70 points. Now here I have categorized it in three ways. What if I took the trade and either it was a short trade or a long trade, and that was the only trade that was the trade I took, and I enjoyed the maximum benefit of that trade. If that is the case, I would have made a profit of 20,471, and in that Bank Nifty and Bajaj Finance would have given me the maximum profits. Okay, now I also assumed that one would probably book profits when they are happy, let's say at 50% level. Not really they were able to, because nobody can guess what is the actual high and actual low will be. So as I get, let's say, a 50% profit, let's say 50% move of the potential target, I book my profit. This is the levels of profit one would have got. Okay, so now by taking one side of the trade, and either on the buy side or on the sell side, one would have made a profit of 20,471. If you took a reversal trade, that is, you took a trade and allowed it to run until the stop loss hit, and then you waited for the sell below level or buy above level to come, and then you took the trade and held till it hit the stop loss. If that is the case, the outcome would have been a loss of net loss on all the five trades put together, 867. One more thing we should know is that if you have not taken any of these equity calls and you have only traded on index, also your profit will change. Okay, that also let us keep in mind. Then let us say you are just a short seller only, you are never interested in taking a buy call. So in that case, if you waited only for the sell below level and held the stock for the sell below targets or till the close or something like that, then your profit would have been 7,861, and at 50% level it would have been 3,931. And if you are, let's say, long only trader, the outcome would have been 19,634 profit. 50% of that is 9,817. if you see the return rate except in this reverse trade level, which means that we should not take this reverse trade idea at all. So we should either be long only or short only, be one side of the trade, looking at the momentum in the market. That appears to be the answer coming out of this strategy deployment. Assuming that you only traded with in futures and did not take options, your return rates on this capital would have been anywhere between 1% to 2.48%. At 50% level of profit booking, it could have been 0.5% to 1.24%. And these percentages would have drastically increased because your capital involvement would have come down and the profits would have increased vis-a-vis the capital deployed if you have traded in options. I hope you enjoyed this video. My daily levels are posted by 9:20 a.m. every day. So I request you to please like, share, subscribe my channel, and also visit the channel by pressing the bell icon and get notified whenever I post the video. As I said, every trading day I will post the video giving these levels at 9:20 a.m. Thank you very much for visiting, and please read the disclaimer that is given in the description. I am not responsible or will be interested in the profits or losses that you make. I am just giving a guidance through my channel. Thank you very much. More exciting things are coming up in this channel. I hope you will be benefiting consistently by being a subscriber to my channel. Bye bye. Take care. Good night. Shubh Ratri.